Hello students, welcome to the video lecture series of indirect taxation. Today we are going to solve problems in the module first, that is second problem. You can refer the slide for the problem. Balram, a registered supplier, furnishes the following details pertaining to the month of August 2019, first month of starting of business. Particulars given: purchase of goods within the state 8 lakh, purchases of goods from outside the state 10 lakh, interstate sales 6 lakh and intrastate sales 12 lakh 50,000. The rates of taxes for the goods supplied are as under: CGST 6%, SGST 6% and IGST 12%. So compute the GST payable by the supplier Balram for the month of August 2019. So because of the purchase of goods within the state and purchase of goods from outside the state, he can avail the input tax credit facility. So in the problem, section 24 of CGST Act provides a list of persons who are required to be registered compulsorily irrespective of the threshold limit. The list includes every person making any interstate taxable supply. In the present case, though a turnover of Balram is 18,50,000, only a first month of commencement of business, which is less than the threshold limit, yet he would be required to seek the registration as he is making the interstate sales of 6 lakh. So his tax liability can be calculated as follows. Computation of GST liability of Balram for August 2019. So you can make 4 columns. So first column is particulars and you can include one more column, that is amount column. Amount rupees, IGST, CGST, SGST. So first case, interstate sales, is amount is 6 lakh. So for the interstate sales we need to find out IGST, that is integrated GST. So integrated GST, IGST 12% on 6 lakh, amount is 72,000. Okay, this is 12% on 6 lakh. So intrastate within the state, that is called as intrastate sales. So that is 12 lakh 50,000 amount given in the problem. This is applicable the CGST and SGST rule. So the percentage is 6%. 6% on 12 lakh 50,000 is 75,000 and 75,000 respectively. Okay, that is 6% on 12 lakh 50,000. Okay, this is same 6%. Next is total output tax payable. Total output tax payable will be, so you need to total, that is 72,000 in case of IGST, 75,000 in case of CGST and 75,000 case of SGST. So in this case input tax credit is available to Balram. So input tax credit available. So first one, that is input tax credit on purchases, input tax credit on purchases of goods from outside the state, from outside the state of rupees 10 lakh, of rupees 10 lakh, that is, see, input tax credit on purchases of goods from outside the state we have made. So 10 lakh on 10 lakh 12%, 12% on 10 lakh. So this is a purchase which we have made outside the state given in the problem, that is 10 lakh. In this 12% we need to apply for IGST, that is total amount is 10 lakh and 12% on 10 lakh it becomes 1,20,000. Okay. So this is input tax credit on purchase of goods from outside the state. So input tax credit on purchase of goods from from within the state, that is 8 lakh, the amount is 8 lakh given. So within the state means we need to apply the CGST and SGST. So 6% each for SGST and CGST. So 6% each means 6% on 8 lakh means 48,000 and 48,000 respectively. See, once again I will explain. Input tax credit available on purchase of goods from outside the state. So for that reason outside the state 10 lakh they have purchased. So 12% only applicable for IGST. If the goods is purchased within the state for SGST and CGST 6% is applicable. That is 48,000 and 48,000 respectively. So after finding out input tax credit, total input tax credit available is, total input tax credit available is, in the first case IGST case, that is 12 lakh, sorry 1,20,000. In this case CGST is 48,000, SGST is 48,000. So after this, payment of output tax we need to make. Payment of output tax, that is through the utilization of ITC of respective tax type. So respective tax type we need to make the utilization. See, output tax in the IGST is, which we have found out, is 72,000. Okay, IGST is for IGST only, that is IGST against IGST first we need to make. Next, from 1,20,000 minus 72,000 gives you 48,000. That is 1,20,000 out of input tax credit you need to make the payment. So 1,20,000 minus 72,000 gives you the amount 48,000, and here also 48,000 is there. Okay. So how to make through the utilization? So 48,000 we need to take from here only, CGST and SGST through the utilization of balance in IGST, ITC towards CGST and SGST is, see, 72,000, 1,12,000 minus 72,000 is 48,000, 72,000, 48,000. So 48,000 from 75,000 minus 48,000 gives you, see, 75,000 output tax minus 48,000 input tax. So deduct that amount, you will be getting answer as 27,000 here. See, 27,000 is the utilization of balance of IGST amount of ITC towards CGST. So after deducting 75,000 minus 48,000, remaining amount is 27,000, but we need to make 48,000 minus 27 gives you 21,000. This is the amount which is utilized from input tax credit. So 48,000 minus 27,000. So once again I will explain. Output tax credit of IGST is 72,000 according to the problem which we have done. So in the input tax credit we have obtained the amount as 1,20,000. So 1,20,000. Yes, 1,20,000. So 1,20,000 minus 72,000 gives you 48,000. We need to make the utilization of ITC in respect of the tax type. So 1,20,000 minus 72,000 gives you 48,000. So 48,000 for the CGST and remaining 48,000 in the SGST. But this 48,000 we can take the utilization of 75,000 output tax minus 48,000 of input tax gives you 27,000, and after getting 27,000 we need to make the balance. What is the balance? 48,000 minus 27,000 gives you 21,000, which we have to make from input tax credit only. Okay. So after getting this through the cash, so first case nil, second case nil, third case 27 minus 21 gives you 6,000 as a cash, that is 27,000 minus 21,000. So 27,000 minus 21,000 you are making 6,000 as a cash. So total tax liability paid is, total liability paid is 72,000 in case of IGST, 75,000 case of CGST and 75,000 in case of SGST. So balance of ITC is nil, which we have balanced in both the cases, CGST and SGST. So in this case this is nil. And you can refer the note which is attached. Thank you.